Welcome to week 4 of our class together. Today we are beginning our second content module, which is called From Separate Empires to English Dominion. Our geographical focus is going to narrow to the eastern seaboard of North America, where the English colonies that we've started to learn about ended up becoming the most powerful within that area, to the detriment of the French and the Spanish colonists, as well as colonists from other European countries. We'll also learn about the experiences of Native Americans and enslaved people. For white colonists, what's important for us to know and to understand is that they thought of themselves as Englishmen and Englishwomen, and the world that they were creating was they viewed as part of the English Empire. That will become very important for the revolutionary movement, which we'll learn about in the next module, and it's still important for us today. We use the English language, English common law as a basis for our laws here in America, and English culture is still pretty important to us. The assignments that have guidelines dates this week are the reading check and lecture check quizzes, and the beginning of the history versus history discussion for Module 2. I hope that the class is going well for you. We completed our first content module, and we're beginning our second. As always, have a great week.